Now, tree heathers are very early spring flowering shrubs. Erica arborea, which is the white flowered tree heather, it's just about finished flowering, and actually, although you can see the new growth coming, it's all rather leggy, and I think this is probably the moment to do a bit of judicious pruning to encourage the new growth lower down the stems to bulk out. So I'm actually going to be quite ruthless here and take out all these main leaders and just trim off the old flower heads. This looks a bit ruthless, but what we hope to end up with is a plant which is much more vigorous in the future. And you can already see here how the plant is trying to grow away again. And if you look back at the old stump of this heather, it's been cut back many times and it really quite enjoys it. Not all the old branches shoot again, but the younger ones will. And what we've done now is created something which will form a wider, more spreading and generally more attractive bush, which will give us a lot more fun and flowers for years to come.